Hello guys. Yeah, today, my favorite Alex again. Today I'm gonna play Rumba and show you how to play Rumba. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So and all will be well. Make sure you like there, you comment and subscribe, and you like. Yeah, let's go.